Good day, traders. This is Rich with some price action on the markets. Currently July 30th, 2020, 4:16 p.m. We have all kinds of earnings coming out, including the Facebook. It's funny, I just took a trade on the break here of the 248 on this move up. And guess what? This section here on my platform was still set today, which is right here. It's kind of grayed out like that. I can't press it right now. So when I hit the 50 shares at 248.11, it's a little pop-up said, "Oh, you can't trade this right now." So then I didn't get the trade, and look what it did. It went all the way up almost to 249.64 quickly, and it's back to 250. So it's a huge level. It's going to trade to 250 because I knew it was going to just fly through there, but I think it's going to come flying back pretty quick and then continue up. Nope, it looks like it's going to make its move. I knew 250 was a magical number. That was my original idea, but I like the 248 to break through 250. Now it's just going to rip. These are earnings. They were pretty good, obviously. Amazon's were pretty good. They're up almost 142 points for a $3,100 stock. So that being said, today was a really boring day. I made some decent trades, but at the end of the day, I started making some stupid ones. My best trade of the day was UPS. Let's go to UPS on this chart. So I made 190 on UPS, but you can see here on a 5-minute chart, I took the break of this level here, and I got a nice move up here, and then I took a continuation move through, I think it was 41 and or 140. It was 140 and went up here. So I got, I was taking 300 shares on UPS, and I was making nice moves. So go figure, the brown worked for me, and it did okay. KNDI and Kodak, those guys were the players yesterday. Were kind of quiet today. I did take a KNDI trade early. It was kind of like a continuation move up here, and I got out really quick before it fell. And fortunately for me, it worked out pretty good. But I don't really focus on the green trades. I ended up on the green. I was up about 205 at one point, and then this stupid stock PRPO got into play in the mid-morning, halted like all this action. I took the break here. I was trying to get in the break at the 650 level, which was the perfect trade, but it jumped me and went all the way up to 750 before retreating. And then I tried taking it again through the 7 level, and between those true trades, I lost half my gains for the day. So that was frustrating because I figured one of them would go in. And then after hours, this stock here did get through 8. They were just fighting it down. There was algos or whoever just fighting the stock down. So 2 times was enough. It was enough to really anger me, and just call it a day until the after hours at least. Facebook, is one of those trades that, the big earnings today, and and now it's at 250, 215. Oh God. How frustrating is that? I mean, because my original entry at 248 would have come back down to 246, or I probably would have gotten out with my gains and probably sold the rest at break even before it made its move through 250. But I think this thing's going to go 255 at some point. Google's out now. Not seeing much action there, but Amazon just broke its highs of the after hours, went through 3,200. It's now 3,210, but I'm not going to be trading that today. The biggest stock to go with their earnings tonight is going to be Apple. It's already made a move up a point or two, and now it's actually made a 3-point move in the after hours, and it's already 3 points back down. I think all this good news from Facebook, Amazon, I think Apple's it's probably going to be one of those ones that makes one directional move and then flips around pretty strong. Look at this thing going 253. Sometimes you got to stick to your convictions and what you think is going to work. And I knew Facebook was going to do that. And It's very frustrating. It's been that kind of day. So I ended the day with 127. Again, I was at like 203 or 204, something like that. So it's frustrating to get back those gains. This is my best Thursday in 3 weeks. So the last 2 Thursdays I kind of blew up. And so I'm happy to have a good Thursday. I'm looking to go into Friday. I have a mentoring session, or I had a mentoring session today, which I learned a ton. And we actually used one of my videos, which was a failed trade, and he showed it to the group, and I actually admitted that was me, and it felt good to actually say, hey, I screwed up, look at this, look at all these mistakes, and people learned from it. So if I can help people, that's the ultimate goal, as well as help myself make money, then I have no problem doing that. I mean, obviously I don't want to have a losing trade like I did on that Fran trade, but no big deal. I'll move on and continue to find good trades. But that UPS trade today, actually, that was all me. I didn't have any help with that one, and I probably could have made better sales, of course. But that was the one that really caught my attention and did very well for me. It was just unfortunate that I was trying to fight this PRPO one, which probably could go, oh my God, is it really? Wait. Okay, it's still at 695. I thought it was at 10. I was like, what? This market's crazy. So we'll just see what happens with Facebook. 255 is my ultimate goal, I think, for today on Facebook. But Apple comes out in about 20 minutes, and we'll see what that does. So you guys have a good one. I'll see you tomorrow for one more video of the week. It's Thursday. This is Rich, and you guys have a good night.